Hey guys, my name is Adam Rayleigh, and I'm making this review for Traffikar on Monday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm about to purchase the product because I firmly believe that James Renouf, the man speaking right here in front of you, one of the product creators, is one of the best warrior of vendors there is, period. I bought several of his products, and every time I've been happy because it's given me a new idea or shown me a new platform to use. And the guy puts out really quality products, and I'm really excited to invest in this new traffic system that they are unveiling in Traffikar. And so I'm going to make the purchase and show you the inside. Hope everyone's doing well today. Thank you for watching this review. I've been marketing online for about 10 years. And like I said, I really respect this guy, James Renouf, but the point is that I'm always looking for the quality stuff and trying to avoid all the rehashed, multiple product releases over and over and over again. I think this product is going to be completely different, basically because of who created it, James Renouf. So that's why I'm really excited about it, and you should be too, because this guy's a high quality vendor. Please bear with me, but you get to see the inside with me in a second. "808, hey Mr. Renouf." You'll be able to find the link for Traffikar below this video. Please like and subscribe if you're so inclined. So we're about to gain access. I'm going to pause for a second. Hey folks, they must have been getting so much traffic with the launch of this product. It took about 5 minutes for the page to load, so I paused the video. The first upsell is, OTO, is entry into a training series that shows you how to resell the traffic that they're going to show you how to get with this new system, to resell it as a business in and of itself for any niche. So that might be something you're interested in. I personally am going to pass right now. Maybe I'll do it later, but that's what the first OTO is. The second OTO is entry to their premium mastermind course, which I assume will give you more detailed information or case studies to use, or done for you templates essentially. It's something that I'm also going to skip. The first OTO I might recommend. The second one, I'm just interested in the base product, to be honest with you, because I do have internet marketing experience. So we're going to go inside and take a look at the PDF file. So you get a PDF file. Shows you these are your videos, the content. I'm not going to show you any of them because I don't want to get in trouble. But obviously you get case studies, different resources to use, and chances to buy the OTOs again. So there you have it. That is the product. I will do a follow-up after I start using it, but like I said, James Renouf, I'm always pleased with the purchases that I make, and he always gives me new information, a piece of something that I've never known before and that I can use to make money. And I've been happy with every product I've ever bought of his, and I don't just flat out promote all Warrior products like a lot of affiliates do. I'm very choosy about it. So you can find a link below for Traffikar in the description. And like I said, please like and subscribe if you're so inclined. Thanks so much for watching, and watch out for the follow-up video after I've gone through the course.